Hello everyone, in this video we would like to share how to remove the original factory radio in the CITROEN C4 2008. And this is the original radio, this is the original ignition control, and the top is the infotainment information LCD. So this one, the LCD here, the radio here will be removed by simple tool like this. You actually got those on from the shop, and you know that it could be something like this looking. Okay, if you're in Australia, you would buy this one as the one that designed to remove Ford or Mazda head unit. From any local shop you would find this one some bucks. So you have just slide one on the left side, it has two holes on the side, push it all the way in. Okay, push it all the way in and you feel it and you lock and it comes. And the second one is the same way, you push it all the way in and then hold two hands and pull it out, and it actually comes out eventually, easy. And behind this one there's one quad lock connection over here and one radio antenna connector over here. That's about it. And yep, have a look at the side mechanism here. You can see that how that working. Okay, so the metal piece goes in and push the metal side top down to the side, so it works that way. Now let's change it to the new 7-inch system. Thank you and see you on the next one.